Welcome to SysLog Daily. Today we have critical patches from Fortinet, Ivanti, and SAP, a look at voice agents handling bilingual customers, and why checkout flows are the weak link in delivery apps. Stay tuned. Fortinet, Ivanti, and SAP have released security updates to address multiple critical security vulnerabilities. The security flaw patched by Fortinet relates to a command injection vulnerability in FortiSandbox, FortiSandbox Cloud, and FortiSandbox PA SWEB UI. Tracked as CVE 2026-25089 with a CVSS score of 9. 1. This is not the first time a command injection vulnerability has been discovered in a widely used security product. Users are advised to update immediately. The patch addresses a flaw that could result in arbitrary code execution and information disclosure. Fortinet, Ivanti, and SAP are all major players in the cybersecurity and enterprise software space, and their products are used by thousands of organizations worldwide. The impact of this vulnerability could be significant, as it could allow attackers to execute arbitrary code on affected systems. To mitigate this risk, users should apply the patch as soon as possible and monitor their systems for any signs of suspicious activity. One concrete thing users can do is check their system logs for any indication of command injection attempts. Researchers are benchmarking voice agents on their ability to handle bilingual customers. This is an interesting development, as voice agents are becoming increasingly common in customer service applications. The ability to handle code-switched speech, where a customer switches between two languages in a single conversation, is a key challenge for voice agents. The researchers are using a dataset of code-switched speech to evaluate the performance of different voice agents. This is a fascinating area of research, as it has significant implications for the development of more sophisticated voice agents. The impact of this research could be significant, as it could lead to the development of more effective voice agents that can handle a wider range of languages and dialects. To stay up to date on this research, users can follow the latest developments in natural language processing and speech recognition. Delivery apps are struggling with fragile checkout flows. This is not surprising, given the complexity of the checkout process. Checkout flows touch payments, coupons, delivery fees, surge pricing, tip selection, address validation, and order confirmation simultaneously, making them a single point of failure. A single misaligned element, a failed payment integration, or a state management issue can cause the entire checkout flow to break. This can result in significant losses for delivery apps, as customers are often unable to complete their orders. The impact of this issue is significant, as it can lead to a loss of customer trust and revenue. To mitigate this risk, developers can focus on building more robust checkout flows that can handle a wide range of scenarios and edge cases. One concrete thing developers can do is implement automated testing for their checkout flows to identify and fix issues before they cause problems. That covers today's transmission. If any of these stories affect your systems, links are in the description. Subscribe so you never miss a patch day. See you tomorrow.